Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show the difference between fiber net and the broadband net. This is our old modem. It used for the broadband connection. It has a one DSL port for the input and 4 LAN ports. The LAN ports are used to connect to the computers as well as TV. The DSL connection is made through the landline connections only. No fiber optic cable can be used. This modem is used for the fiber connection. The first port is made for single mode optical fiber cable. The next one is the FXS port. You can connect your telephone with this port. The two LAN ports are available for the connection of PCs. In this connection, the output comes from the optical cable, so the loss is very less when compared to broadband. Let's see the speed test of these connections. Both the fiber and the broadband has the same plan, but the speed of the fiber is very higher than the broadband. Subscribe for more videos.